Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel. We're so glad to have you here as part of our growing family. In our videos, we share fun adventures, family tips, DIY projects, and so much more that we hope you'll enjoy. If you love what you see and want to keep up with all our latest content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us and helps us create even more amazing videos for you. Let's dive into today's episode. Small wood furniture has emerged as a lucrative business opportunity, driven by the rising demand for unique, handcrafted pieces. Unlike mass-produced alternatives, small wood furniture can cater to niche markets, offering personalized designs that resonate with consumers seeking individuality in their home decor. The ability to customize items, such as tables, chairs, and shelving, allows artisans to charge premium prices, significantly enhancing profit margins. Moreover, the trend towards sustainability has bolstered the appeal of small wood furniture. Consumers are increasingly inclined to invest in eco-friendly products made from responsibly sourced materials. By emphasizing the sustainable practices involved in the creation of their furniture, businesses can not only capture a dedicated customer base but also justify higher price points, further increasing profitability. The versatility of small wood furniture also contributes to its profitability. Items can be crafted for various spaces, including homes, offices, and outdoor areas. This adaptability allows manufacturers to diversify their product lines and tap into multiple markets. Additionally, seasonal trends and the growing popularity of online sales channels provide opportunities for targeted marketing and increased sales. The rise of social media platforms has transformed the way artisans showcase their work. Engaging visual content can attract followers and potential buyers, creating a community around the brand. By building a strong online presence, small wood furniture makers can reach a global audience, expanding their market reach beyond local customers. Collaborations with influencers or interior designers can further enhance visibility and drive sales. Furthermore, the low overhead costs associated with small-scale production make this venture particularly appealing. With the right tools and a small workshop, artisans can begin crafting furniture without significant initial investment. As the business grows, reinvesting profits into better materials and marketing strategies can lead to exponential growth, solidifying small wood furniture as a high-profit enterprise. Finally, the emotional connection that customers feel towards handcrafted furniture cannot be understated. Many buyers appreciate the story behind each piece, understanding the time and effort that went into its creation. This emotional aspect not only fosters customer loyalty but also encourages word-of-mouth referrals, which are invaluable for small businesses. By focusing on quality craftsmanship and customer relationships, small wood furniture makers can establish themselves as trusted brands in a competitive market. Thank you and reminder script. Thank you so much for watching our video. We truly appreciate your support and love having you as part of our community. If you enjoyed this content, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your engagement helps us grow and create even more exciting content for you. We can't wait to see you in the next one.